The juice bottle thing.
It's lip gloss, definitely lip gloss. Contour the nose. Contour the nose.
The two lines that go on top and bottom like a double-decker bus.
All these things look the same.
The Batman thing, you know, gonna be a little sexy, little diva, you know what I'm saying? Yo, it's Mr. A in the building, you know. What's here today? Doing the makeup thing, little fleek sesh, you know, got pattern.
Okay, here. Niggas call me Mads. Out of socials, Zero Stacks Madness on Snapchat, and young_LK108 on Instagram.
Yo guys, D1. Get on my Insta, d1.ne. Beats coming soon.
Alright, so hello. What's she doing now? Is she rubbing something on her hair? No. Oh, she's rubbing some cream. Okay, yeah, make sure that dry skin ain't cakey.
Massaging the face and that. Make sure everything is all soft and ready for what's about to come.
Man don't even know what that thing is. Little brown satin.
Yo, it's lip gloss, definitely lip gloss. Well, she have brown lip gloss though. That's some weird shit.
Pro concealer. That looks like concealer, obviously. I know a bit of my stuff, did a bit of research beforehand, making sure I know the products and the equipment we're using here today to do the transformation from Cinderella to Cinderella. You know what I'm saying? So cool, bish bash bosh.
She's backing out some used brushes, about to do some painting. Yo, she's laying the landscape down.
Also, you got to apply that in various areas of the face. Make sure every single, you know, south, east, west side of the face has got enough concealer to make sure that the makeup that really follows on top can really blend and succeed in doing its job to make us look beautiful, even though she is beautiful already.
Keep patting that in, you get me? Make sure it all looks one shade and that. Like, man don't even know what this thing is. I think it's the same thing, but a bit darker, or a bit lighter. I don't even know, man. You got to go around your lips, around your eyes, blend that in.
Going for a second layer. This layer looks to be a bit lighter, you know, so that when the pics are taken in the car park, yes ladies, I said pics are getting taken in the car park because the car park pictures are clearly taken over. I'm waffling, I can't lie, I'm waffling. So right now we're getting the juice bottle thing.
Oh, she's doing it again. Okay, over the net this time as well. Okay, there's gonna be a little bit more technical use here. I see the movements. It's getting a bit technical still.
Man said, Revlon, clear stay. All these things look the same, just in different boxes and that. So get up some more tribal marks, blend that in. Bronzing thing.
Now we're doing the massaging of the eyebrows, making sure every single strand of her on this beautiful woman's face is properly treated with care and love. And now you got to get the pen, the marker to, you know, outline the board we're working with here today, making sure everything is proper on the eyebrows, you know, on fleek and that, because you don't want them McDonald's arches eyebrows. You got to make sure everything is lined to precision.
Yo, that bear's looking a bit booky in the background though. I feel like it's watching me. Yeah, this is what girls do to make themselves look like they got actual eyebrows when they wax them every single day and they lose the volume to the eyebrows. Yo, how's she doing this without no mirror? Yo, that's the thing I want to know. This is some Fugazi shit, man. Fugazi.
Now we're just, you know, going on the outline, doing the two lines that go on top and bottom like a double-decker bus to make sure that it's all even, it's all shaped right. You know what I'm saying? So cool, yeah, doing that. Looking nice, looking good. Now that's done. What are we doing next? Tell us what we're doing next. But bear darts in the camera.
This thing is the contour thing. I was either right 2 times before, or I'm right now still.
Under the eyebrows, you know, late night sleeping and that, you know, lockdown and that. People have been staying up late.
I think this is, yo, just to like contour the nose. Yeah, really get those facial structures popping, if you know what I'm trying to say. Yo, she's just dabbing about, trying to blend it into the skin. Yeah, making sure, yo, there's enough on there so if someone, yo, just accidentally just gives a little Try to swipe it off, yo, the makeup's still there, you get me?
The bags under the eyebrows really do need to get attacked. People, make sure you get enough sleep, because if you don't get enough sleep, then you're really going to be wasting your concealer on the bags under your eyebrows. You know, like we don't pay enough for at Sainsbury's 5p already.
Okay, she's doing the eyes as well now. Okay, I see this.
Cool, now we get the palette, you know, not the paint palette, but the beauty palette, you know what I'm saying? Obviously we're going for we're going for a bit of a brown eyeshadow on the eyes. Is that brown? Yeah, it looks like brown on the eyes, you know, a bit of a smoky type of look of brown.
Yo, that box just looks too used. It's not even a box, but it just looks used, like, yo, that's been used for days, man.
A darker smoky, yeah, there we go. And bring that brown melanin skin tone out, you know, different shades of brown, different shades of you know what I was gonna say there.
Look, see contour palette. Get me? For do up more brushing and pattern and that. Get me? Gotta rub up the foreheads, make sure it look nice. Rub up the chin. Get me? Rub up the other side chin, next side. Gotta make sure all of that blend up.
Okay, the nose is a very specific area she's been trying to get at for quite some time. I think she's done. Okay, she's doing the edges. Oh wait, not the edges. Okay, we've gone back to the nose again. Yeah, I think she loves her nose. Alright, so what's this? Natural bronzer. So this is what they put to make themselves look more bronze, basically. Power to the black queens.
Make sure that this look, when seen in the photos, really has a good spark and a pop, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I've been talking like a weirdo in this thing, man. Let me go to my real voice. So yeah, we're just doing this here, you know, doing the little cat look, you know, a little.
Right. Yo, where did that hand come from? Yo, that was beaky, man.
I don't know who your hand that is, boy. Someone trying to dig out your eye, blood.
Oh yeah, mum was definitely telling her this ain't going on the YouTube. The Batman thing, you know, want to be a little sexy, little diva, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, now just going back to the work we've done before, making sure it's gone untouched and not ruined. You know, now we got to get the glue. Obviously, you got to get the glue. Yeah, for the eyelashes. Now you got to blow on the eyelashes to make sure that they are resistant. That when the wind is really blowing on your face, they do not come off. Because you don't want to be looking like... Yeah.
Oh, the eyelashes. Yo, if that touches her eye, yo, there's going to be glue in her eye. Big man thing, yo, that's a disaster.
The little weave glue for the eyelash. Only the real ones know. For the crocodile teeth, teeth get put when I read. I make sure the thing look stand out. You get me? Look at exclamation point and that.
Applying the mascara now to really get the darker look on the lashes. You know, I really do know my stuff. The research I've done into this video. Now the favorite part of the video, the lips. This is where it all goes down, ladies. Literally, now we need to outline the lips. You know, to really give the effect of the illusion of the lips being a shape that is nicer, more succulent, more suckable, more beautiful, just more everything, to be honest. Because that's where, let's be real, at the end of the night, all the action goes down with the lips. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta make sure they're on point.
Just, yo, get them lips popping, as the millennials like to say. Okay, so she's outlined the lips now, the top and the bottom. Yeah, ain't looking too bad, ain't looking too shabby.
But make sure let them look nice and pretty, you get me? Bellemissimo and them things.
I think that's cream onto the lips, you know, to bring out the shine, the gloss. Now we're getting onto the lip gloss. Yeah, the lip gloss. Yeah. Dab. Ladies, the more lip gloss you use, the more, yeah.
Yo, I caught it. I told you, I caught it. This is
the brown dust, you know, just pat it around, you know, make sure a little fairy dust, make sure each side of the face gets a, oh, this looking like it's bringing more HD definition.
Or rub up the nose and that, make sure the nose look nice. Miss Tink say you look fleek up, something pattern.
alright, so I think she's done. Let me see the poses.
Now the look is complete, ladies. Look in the mirror. If you look like a witch, I'm sorry, you didn't obviously follow the video, but in this video, obviously our model here looks beautiful, looking nice, looking on fleek. And that's been me. I'm out. Peace.
Shout out me Insta, d1.ne. They are.
Alright, say that. End of the video. Thank you for the time.
How can I forget? Obviously my socials, will be somewhere. If they're not there, then she's a